welcome back to All Gains Mindset, where we get you on the grind and improve your mind in every video that we do. So here we have March's ButcherBox, and we're going to do an unboxing and open it up. This is actually probably the biggest box I have. It doesn't even fit on the table. As you can see, it's clearly being cut off. And yeah, it's huge. It's heavy. Let's find out why it's heavy. So let's get into it. All right. Let's continue and let's cut it open. Let's figure out what's in here. I think this is the biggest box I've seen. This thing is humongous. Oh my God. All right. All right, so it looks like right here I got about, I think it's supposed to be 5 pounds of drumsticks. I can see that one of these packages is actually a little bit messed up, but it's okay because it's going to get used up probably in the next couple of days. So I'll just have it all fall out. There it goes. There's that. So this is new as well. So I have some ground sirloin packages here. This is right here. I got 2 pounds. Oh, serrated. Perfect. Can actually cut them off. So got 2 pounds right there, ground sirloin. And here's another 2 pounds. Beautiful, beautiful. That's what we like to see. These ones they're serrated, but they're not fully cut off yet, so they'll just leave it like that. Now, I kid you not, when the title of this video says ground beef special, I really mean it, because you had those 4 pounds. We got another 4 pounds of 85/15 ground beef, right? We got another 2 pounds of the ground sirloin, so that's 6 pounds of ground sirloin. We got another 2 pounds of the regular 85/15, so that's right there 12 pounds of ground beef. Another 2 pounds, so 14. I got 2 pounds ground bison. So altogether, that's what, 16 pounds? 6, 12, 14, 15, 16. Yep. So 16 pounds of ground beef, 2 pounds of ground bison, whatever. Same thing. That's a lot of ground meat right there. And we're not even done. You know, I gotta go with the thick boy ribeye. This was really good the last time. I'm very happy with it. It's actually, this one, I mean, this one's got decent marbling. It looks pretty good. It's got a nice tail on it. And it's all grass-fed, grass-finished meat, which is great. We got more packages of ribeye. These ones recently, these last couple packages I've been getting in, they've been coming in really nice. Like these look really nice for ribeyes, you know? I feel like the first few times I was getting them, I was like, okay, you know, ribeyes. But these guys are looking like real ribeyes here, so I'm liking that. So we got 4, 5 ribeyes. We got fillets. These look like they're like prime grade fillets. Like they got really nice marbling on them. They're looking really good. Put that there. I have 6 pounds of chicken breast. This was really good. The last time I had gotten this, I used this for breaded cutlets with pork rinds as the breading. Really good. I'll put up a picture just so you can see what I made with it. It came out really nice that last time, and I'm probably going to use that again and do it again with these. It's gonna be really good. Okay, and there's one last thing, and you should know what it is. This wouldn't be an All Gains ButcherBox opening without it. You think I got enough bacon? I don't think so. I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I should have 10 packages here of the Applewood smoked, no sugar pork bacon. This stuff is amazing. It's amazing stuff. One of my favorite ones. Again, I'm going to and I said this the last time, and I haven't done it yet. Andrew and I haven't worked on it yet, but we plan to. It's gonna come, I promise. We are going to do a video on bacon. We're going to go over a bunch of different types of bacon. We've just been doing a lot of research on a lot of stuff right now. There's a little hint for what's coming in the future, but we've been doing a lot of research, and we're going to continue to do research, and especially we're going to do more research on bacon specifically, pros and cons, and also different farms and where you can find the best types of bacon. We're also, in that video, we'll probably do a little bit of a taste test as well, just to nudge in what is better, which bacon is the best bacon to really have. Yeah, so that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's a lot of stuff here. I got it through ButcherBox. I get the big box, and I get it bi-monthly. You can set up your box in a way where you can have it be sent to you every 2 months. You can set it, it's probably sent every 3 if you really feel, but you can get a lot of stuff from ButcherBox, and you can get ButcherBox by going into the link in the description down below and clicking on our link, and you can get it through us, and hopefully you can enjoy ButcherBox as much as I do, because man, this stuff's great. It's honestly a life-changing thing here, because you get so much meat, you get so much good quality meat, especially because that is probably one of the more important things, is the fact that it's probably one of the best quality meats out there, grass-fed, grass-finished, organic, pasture raised, all these different things. You can get the best quality products through ButcherBox. So I definitely say go down in the description, go to ButcherBox, get your subscription today, and start using it, man. It's great. It's awesome. And start eating healthy. All right, guys. Well, with that being said, that's going to be the end of this video. So definitely like and subscribe as always, and tune into our next video.